Hello everyone, welcome back to Bentech Group. Today on today's video, I'll be showing you on the easiest step, or should I say easy step, on how to uninstall a program. I call it most times software, I call it app. How to uninstall a software or uninstall a program from your PC. Alright, so if you are watching this video for the first time, I would like you to support us by clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and also click on the notification bell for more videos from us. Alright, thank you very much all those that have subscribed. Thank you very much. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to teach you today on how you can uninstall a program, on how you can uninstall a software, or should I say app if it's a phone. Alright, so let's get started. So you click on your the first thing you do, you click on your Windows button. Click on your Windows button, click on your Windows button, and you search for control panel. Control panel. Control panel. Right, here's our control panel. You might not finish putting the control panel to come out, then you click on control panel. Alright, so control panel. So you, like I said, you want to uninstall the program. If you click on control panel, you click on programs. If you click on programs, then you click on uninstall a program. Uninstall a program. So you should click on uninstall a program. So alright, here are the programs that are on my system. So I have many programs on my system. So let's say I want to uninstall this software, and this BlueStack, I want to uninstall it. What I will do is I will right click on it. If you right click on it, then you see uninstall, then you click on uninstall. Let's wait for it to load. So it will bring, depend on the software you want to uninstall. Most software might not look like this, but this is how this one is. It will ask you that if you want, it will just like some prompts depending on the one you're installing. Just so we are riding on uninstall direct, is asking if I should delete the BlueStack X data. So I'm deleting everything, so I just click on uninstall. So he's uninstalling it. Here's the process. So that's uninstall it. Alright, so uninstallation complete. You click on close. So as you can see, the software or the program is no longer on my system again. So it's not here, it's nowhere to be found here again. So it's no longer there again. So alright, so these are the simple steps to uninstall a program or to install a software from your PC. So if you find this video helpful, please just click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification button for more videos from us. Thank you very much all. Thank you.